Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Illustrator files using Adobe Drive. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Ensure your project is saved before backing it up. Locate the File menu in the top left corner of the screen. Click on the File menu to reveal its options. Select Save As from the drop-down list. In the dialog box, choose the location where you want to save the backup. Navigate to your Adobe Drive folder. If you do not see Adobe Drive, it may need to be installed or activated. Name your file accordingly to keep track of the backup. Ensure the file type is Adobe Illustrator.ai. Click the Save button to store the document in Adobe Drive. After saving, confirm that the file appears in your Adobe Drive folder. To access Adobe Drive, open your web browser. Log into your Adobe account if prompted. Locate the Files section within Adobe Drive. You should see the Illustrator file you just backed up. Click on the file to verify that it opens correctly. To create a more organized backup system, create folders within Adobe Drive. Label these folders by project or date for easy navigation. Regularly repeat the backup process after major changes to your files. Consider setting a reminder to back up your files frequently. By following these steps, you'll ensure your Illustrator projects are safely backed up in Adobe Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.